Hi, I've just done an absolutely lovely session in a school and read a relaxation how to relax with animals. And one of the young girls there, Isabella, said that her favourite relaxation ever is the cat cafe. So I said I would come on and record it just for her. So I'm going to record this with a bedtime ending so you can play it as you go to sleep. Are we ready then? So get yourself nice and comfy, ready for a lovely little relaxation. Close your eyes. Stay as still as you can. Breathe in slowly and breathe out slowly. In and out. Nice and slowly, lovely and calm. And just relax as you listen to my voice for the next few minutes. And I want you to imagine that you're going to a cafe with someone special. You're really looking forward to some delicious cake and good company. You arrive at the cafe and push open the door. This cafe is like nothing you've ever seen before. It looks magical. There are sparkling fairy lights lighting up the sunny yellow walls. Chairs covered with deep purple velvet cushions. Old-fashioned teapots and cups and saucers on the table. But the most surprising detail of all are the cats. So many cats. Magnificent moggies of all different shapes and sizes. Some curled up on chairs, some rubbing up against table legs, and others sitting on their window ledge watching the world go by. You head towards a cosy corner of the cafe, and as soon as you sit down, a friendly tabby comes to say hello. She nuzzles you with her head, encouraging you to give her a fuss, and you love cats, so you're more than happy to oblige. And as you stroke your feline friend, you notice that you start to feel really relaxed and calm. Her fur is soft and warm. The vibration of her gentle purr is strangely hypnotic, making you feel more and more relaxed. You look around and you notice that everyone in here looks so peaceful and so content. Being with these beautiful animals helps to heal the soul, and it somehow makes you forget about all your worries. Nothing matters at this moment in time. You're just enjoying sitting, snuggling with your cat friend and watching the world go by. Suddenly, a comical scene catches your eye. There's a basket with 2 large cats in, and they're being jumped on by 6 or 7 of the cutest kittens you've ever seen. It looks like the little ones are trying to persuade Mum and Dad to play, who in turn look like they just want 5 minutes peace. The kittens prance, while the dad grumpily bats them away with his paw, and it's such a delightful sight, it makes you want to laugh out loud. This place is amazing. You feel happier than you have for a long, long time. And the best thing is that you can come back here in your imagination whenever you wish. Will you come back when you want a cuddle or a bit of calm? Or maybe when you need your mood lifting by watching the playful kittens tumble and torment their tired parents. Whatever the reason, you can be sure that you'll leave feeling happy, free, and full of joy. But for now, just remember these contented, happy feelings as you snuggle into your covers for an amazing night's sleep with the most wonderful of dreams.